Today we're making the Encrusted Nail, the last drink of our filming session today.
Yep.
So, you probably think we're drunk.
I'm not.
You could be right. Maybe.
Shut up, Jen.
I'm not drunk, but I am fucking loud. Welcome to Column Man Cocktails.
He'll send random hentai porn.
Derek and Ian, we're going to make a cocktail for you. Alright, so here we go.
Bird bondage, hentai.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
As you see, I'm big into it. I even know how to pronounce it.
Wow. This is called the Encrusted Nail. Oh fuck! I just opened that and drank from it.
Oh, how?
All right, hold on a minute. You'll learn a little bit more about this cocktail in a second. First, Ian's breaking my bottle of Cuddy Sark Prohibition Edition blended Scotch,
which he uses all the time. So.
And he put on the cap,
Oh,
the cork
shit.
in too hard.
You know what? This is really soft. This is gonna totally land inside the cocktail. Oh my god.
Oh, that thing shattered when you pulled it out.
Right, I know. So we're gonna have to filter it. Just here.
No, we can drink cork. It's not going to hurt us.
It's not gonna hurt, but it might taste better with less rubber in it.
Nope.
Is this rubber? No, it's real cork. That's legit cork.
That's tree bark, and there's none in there.
I see it!
Don't want it floating.
Do it. Do it. Oh, you bitch!
He likes his tree bark. It's
Didn't
got fiber.
Didn't see that coming.
That's the most vegetables I ate all day.
This cocktail is 1 ounce of Drambuie. Oh shit, my mouse curse is on it. This cocktail is 1 ounce of... What?
I put a full ounce of this in here. And
What do you... How could you fuck this up? It's not that complicated.
you know what? Your mouse was over the measurement.
Wasn't over that measurement.
Yes, it was. Blended whiskey, 3/4.
And you just decide I can't read it.
It's your fault!
Make it up. It's 1 ounce of Drambuie, a 3/4 ounce of blended malt Scotch, 3/4
More water, dude.
3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of Maraschino liqueur. What the fuck, dude? I wish I was drunk right now because it would be. I'm laughing at the shit we're doing. It's fucking crazy.
Well, we're fun people.
You
So.
don't have to be drunk to laugh. It's okay.
Listen,
Yeah. You know, people have
Kids-
fun without booze. It's not a message to
kids,
send.
you don't have to be drunk to have a good time. You could just have fun. And
Or you can just be drunk. They're both fine.
you're ruining the message.
Oh, finish the message and I'll ruin it afterwards.
Only if you're an okay drunk.
See-
If you're a mean drunk, don't get drunk.
Matt, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have to add a compressing algorithm to this to bring down all the yelling I'm doing so that it doesn't hit the 2 decibel rating and then start to shake everybody's fucking
You know,
headphones.
I'm a soft speaker. You don't have to yell over me.
Yeah, but you make me angry sometimes. Hold on!
It's by design.
It's all on purpose.
That's it! I got my soapbox! This is what's going on! This is like a rusty nail, but it's an encrusted
Is that
nail.
a half ounce of maraschino or 1.5 ounces of maraschino?
Half ounce.
Right.
Okay. He was just, Stephen was asking.
Just a half ounce?
Steven, don't fuck with me. I can do that when I'm taller!
You can see where the hole is when you call it.
Yeah. So, this recipe was submitted by John Spikes. I was getting closer to the microphone because, you know, sometimes people can't hear me. Created by Chad Dahl.
Hey,
Our-
stack up over by the camera so you can actually get a picture.
Our executive producer. Pour it right here, bitch. Our executive producer is Peggy Perry. 5 months, a YouTube member. Is this even going to fit on the camera? Oh, why is it making that smoky feel?
Because I put a little extra sauce on it.
Oh, that was awesome sauce. Awesome sauce.
It's zoomed out for the last cocktail.
Okay, yeah, it's good to go. What was I saying? So, we're in 2020, so this fucking shit gets crazy. Peggy Perry's our executive producer. She's
A
been
whole new decade.
she's been a member join
You're new me.
for 5 months. You click the join button right on the YouTubes. If you're out of the country of the United States, oh, that's a country or continent. It depends if you talk about North America. You might not have a join button. If that's the case, go to commonmancocktails.com/donate. You can just send us money direct. Then I can buy a new camera to replace the camera I have so that we're in 4K for 2020.
It's not blurry over there.
And it won't be blurry over here.
What?
Thank you. Tim,
But it will be more clear.
home improvement.
Oh, no, I was doing Scooby. Sorry.
You destroyed it. Try that drink.
Tim Allen.
Taste it. I'm going to give you my interpretation. Ready? You got it in your mouth? Men's cologne.
It's pretty well balanced. It's good. It's lemony.
Men's cologne. Tastes like men's cologne. Tastes like men's cologne. Like what you would taste if you were to walk into a place that sells men's cologne. I don't know what those places would be. It wouldn't be Macy's or JCPenney. Oh my god!
Put it on the wrist. There you go.
Yeah. Now it smells like men's cologne.
Do a little
This
bit of
smells
this.
like somebody who's an alcoholic that put on some cologne. Not like Dracar Noir, but like it's just got like a lot of aromatic flavor to it. Doesn't have a lot of smokiness from the
Pretty good, actually.
from the
I like it.
Scotch.
As long as it doesn't smell like patchouli.
No, it doesn't smell like
It's good.
fucking patchouli.
Maybe too lemony for Dan. I don't know. But it's pretty good.
It does have a little bit of lemon flavor to it. A little bit of maraschino. I get the maraschino like that. I make a lot of Dorchesters. I know what the maraschino tastes like, and it draws out at the end. You get that.
Is that the only reason you know what maraschino tastes like?
The only.
The only one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Question of the day?
No.
Aviations.
No. Aviation?
It's
Does that have maraschino liqueur?
I think so.
Pretty sure.
Hemingway Daiquiri?
Could be, yeah.
Yes.
Question of the day?
I'm just going with
Division
it.
Bell?
What was your most frequently ordered / created cocktail for 2019?
Question of the day.
Great. Question of the day.
What? What's your favorite color? Now, what was your most frequently?
What is the weight of an unleaded
What is your
What
what
is
is
the
your
airspeed
question?
of an unladen swallow?
To ask Alexa what the unladen
Whatever,
airspeed of a
man.
whatever he said is the airspeed of an unladen swallow.
So
It should
African
give
or
you an
European swallow? I don't know that.
What was your most frequently ordered created cocktail last year, 2019? I will tell you, in 2019, did we go to a bar in 2019? We must have went to a bar.
I don't know.
No, yes, but it wasn't frequent. We always go to like those hipster places, like the places we go with Dan and Julie. Like they always have like the house cocktails.
Yeah.
So those don't really count.
Like Codex or...
Yeah, like, or Elm. What is it called?
Birch and Elm.
Birch and Elm.
Birch and Elm.
Like they always have like cool, crazy cocktails that are riffs on something else, but they're not like a whiskey sour.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't think I've been to a bar where I would order
It'll be
a
interesting to see
cocktail.
what people say in the comments.
Yeah.
So you should answer this question below in the comments.
You should answer it below in the comments. See if people still do that, because we haven't done question of the day for like a couple years.
If you're looking to spend some Christmas cash that you got,
I like Christmas cash.
you can order from awesomedrinks.com
You can.
with a coupon code
11 years.
and save 15% until January 31st.
You can.
2020.
And since this video's on the 16th, that gives you at least
You
a
got a
week.
couple weeks
Go a couple weeks.
and a day,
And one extra day.
depending on when you watch this.
Yeah. And your time zone.
And if you're
Doesn't
watching
make
it
a
on the 31st, you're screwed. Sorry.
Not just hurry up, go buy some shit.
Do you like this?
Pause and box.
I like that. I think it's
It's
good.
flowery.
That's the men's cologne part.
I don't think it's flowery.
Okay, it's
Ask
not
Jen,
Why? Do you think it tastes like men's cologne?
because I think we need a third opinion here.
Here, try this.
I think you're fucked in the head.
Okay.
But I think it's a good drink.
So,
Do you like it?
I do.
Oh, okay, good.
I mean, it's lemon and
I don't
maraschino.
get flowery.
Do you get men's cologne?
No.
Okay, good. Confirmed. Derek is fucked in the head.
So that's why I'm fucked in the head?
But she already knew that because she knows you pretty well. And she still loves you.
What is the flavor then?
Lemon.
Lemon.
I do get lemon, but what's that other flavor?
There's some maraschino in there.
Is it honey?
Yeah, I think
the
it's
Drambuie?
maraschino.
Probably honey from the Drambuie, yeah.
I get the maraschino, I get the lemon, I get some honey.
Yeah, you probably get honey.
But the
I
interesting
don't get
thing
any
is
smoke.
the Scotch and Drambuie is basically a honey Scotch, right?
Right.
Yeah, this is like honey
The
and
honey
scotch.
Scotch and the blended Scotch are not coming through, so this could be
No.
very dangerous.
Which brings me to my next point. Have I had up one
How
yet?
much scotch
Nope.
is in there?
But you'll have one.
3/4 of an ounce.
3/4 of an ounce and 1 ounce of Drambuie.
So the scotch is playing almost as a liqueur in this drink, and the liqueur is playing as a main ingredient. Because it's a encrusted nail, similar to
The rusty nail.
the rusty nail, which is a drink we made.
Which is just Scotch and Drambuie.
Right.
Right. So a scotch and Drambuie, blended scotch, cheaper. So for education alert, shit's gonna happen here where you might learn something. If you're done learning shit, click off, but hit the subscribe button before you do it. Education alert. This is Dalwhinnie 15. So Dalwhinnie 15 is expensive. Probably $80. I don't even know. It's I gotta be up there.
Despite the fact that it still has cork floating in it.
Wait a minute. Back up. Does it really? This is a really old. Oh shit. Yeah, it does.
It's still expensive.
Oh,
Strain it.
It is the cork.
Drain the whole bottle.
I did that with mezcal that has a worm in it. So this is Cutty Sark Prohibition Edition. So it's not your standard stuff, but I don't know.
Probably because it's 50% alcohol.
I'll buy it.
That's why they call it Prohibition Edition.
Oh yeah, because it's higher proof. Yeah, I
And
get
it
it.
rhymes.
But this
I'm
Prohibition
sure that's the main reason.
Main reason, but
Prohibition Edition for United States, because it's
I don't know where else. Do they have Prohibition somewhere else?
everywhere. They have prohibition in most countries at some point. Not always not like 1933, but like at some point most countries have banned it and went, oh, that's fucking dumb.
Okay.
But besides places that
The
still
only
ban
history
it.
I guess I know about Prohibition is the U.S. So
I think France had one. You can correct me if I'm wrong there.
France.
I don't know about UK because let's face it, like they just like let's not let everybody be a distillery. Let's put some rules around it. Like they just shit like that. But
they just have bathtub gin.
yeah, no, that's us. So Cutty Sark is a blended Scotch. A blended Scotch is not a single malt Scotch. So if you're having fun with friends and they're like, do you like Scotch? You're gonna find that there are 3 different specific things about Scotch that might be good to know. There's a blended Scotch, there's an Islay Scotch, and then there's a single malt Scotch. You could have single malt Islay Scotches. You probably could have blended Islay Scotches. I don't know. Islay Scotches, like Ardbeg, like Lefroy, have a huge, smoky, like mezcal, but
Lefroy's
like
blended?
on fire. No, it's just Islay.
Just that.
So it's got that fiery, smoky, ashy, like burny taste to it. Where a single malt Scotch, non-Islay, like Dalwhinnie, will have a little
good
nuance.
It's a good
yeah,
burning.
it's a nuance to
Not
that
like
flavor.
the other Bernie.
Not like an STD burning.
Or a...
The 1% is here!
Not like a Vermont
Vermont
Bernie.
burning.
Right.
Vermont Center Bernie.
So you have your single malts are more expensive because they're pure Scotch, not cut with anything. Some people will say that a blended malt Scotch would be synonymous with, like, say, Jose Cuervo. Gold.
But there's some pretty good blended scotches out there.
Right, but a blended Scotch is a bunch of scotches blended
Wine
in.
blends are tasty for a reason because you're taking
Right.
the characteristics of different...
And you're
single
master
malts.
blending it.
Together.
Yeah.
So the blend should
Johnny
be as good
Walker's
as
a
the
blended
product.
Scotch.
Exactly.
People
Johnny
love Johnny
Walker
Walker.
Blue,
Yeah.
fucking expensive, blended Scotch. Right. Now you can have a single malt is like all one flavor, single, not blended. So if you took 3 things from a blend and you split them up, you'd probably have 3 single malts. Or something, maybe, potentially. But cheaper is still
But it
relative.
doesn't mean it's a low grade because you can blend high-grade
yeah.
scotches to get a high-grade blend.
And you make the
some
flavor you want.
Single malt, the distillers known for single malts will make a blend of their
Right.
various
But it's
malts.
looked at negatively by a lot of people,
By whiskey
snobby
snobs.
people, because they're like, oh, you took, I want the pure, unadulterated
I mean,
beauty.
it can be looked down by certain people.
Because you probably have
Just
a
like
cheap version.
cocktails are looked down on certain people who like
Fuck
to drink
those
straight
people.
alcohol.
Yeah.
That's my point.
That's it, my friends. Sidebar, more videos. I don't know what they'll be, but there'll be some more videos over there. Maybe something about Scotch. I don't fucking know. Down below, Awesome Race Bartender Starter Kit. Of course, you can always use 11 years as a coupon code on awesomerace.com.
You can always use it? How about you can only use it until January 31st, 2020?
What he said.
Well, you can use it after. It just won't do
It
it.
just
That's a
won't
good
work.
point. You can't always use it
It just won't always work.
with variable results.
That's right.
Your results may vary because we're teaching you how to drink.